Hello and welcome to 2 Minutes Global Market Pulse. Top overnight news. Next week, market attention will remain focused on trade developments and any potential agreements between the United States and its key trading partners. The United States earnings season will move into full swing with major companies including Alphabet, Tesla, Verizon, Coca-Cola, T-Mobile, and IBM set to report their quarterly results. On the economic front, key United States data releases include flash Standard & Poor's global PMIs, durable goods orders, existing and new home sales. Globally, monetary policy decisions from the European Central Bank, the Central Bank of the Russian Federation, and the Central Bank of Turkey will be in focus. Markets will also be paying close attention to a wide range of international indicators, including flash PMI figures for the Eurozone, Germany, Japan, India, the United Kingdom, and France. GfK consumer confidence readings for Germany and the United Kingdom, the IFO Business Climate Index in Germany, United Kingdom retail sales, and the Tokyo Consumer Price Index report. Finally, investors will closely monitor the results of Japan's upper house election. Trump is set to open the United States retirement market to crypto investments, with Trump preparing an executive order to allow 401k plans to tap a broad pool of alternative assets. Trump again warned Brazil to drop charges against Jair Bolsonaro, saying in an open letter addressed to the former leader he would be watching closely. President Lula da Silva said Brazil would not accept blackmail from the United States and the country will respond to United States tariffs on August 1st. The Federal Reserve's Christopher Waller called for a quarter-point rate cut this month, saying the labor market is on the edge and upside risks to inflation are limited. Waller stated the Fed should not wait until the labor market hits trouble before cutting rates, and delaying cuts runs the risk of needing more aggressive action later. Furthermore, he said a July rate cut could give the Fed space to hold rates for a few meetings, and noted they should cut rates in July and then adjust policy meeting by meeting, as well as commented that data should determine the pace of rate cuts, and there is nothing wrong with taking out an insurance rate cut, just in case. China's exports of rare earth products jumped in June, pointing to a potential pickup in magnet supplies after government-imposed curbs that proved to be Beijing's most powerful weapon in its trade war with the Trump administration. The European Central Bank can delay its final rate cut until December without investors concluding that easing is over, a Bloomberg survey of economists showed. China trimmed its United States Treasury holdings for a third straight month in May, amid escalating trade tensions with Washington and mounting concerns over a sweeping tax and spending bill. China's holdings fell to $756.3 billion United States dollars versus $757.2 billion in April.